more effort into the probation here and get things done when you're supposed to get things done. Why didn't that work?
Your Honor, honestly, I honestly don't have an excuse or reason. I really don't have an excuse. I just did not get it done when I should have.
So what do you think I should do to you?
Well, I would request that I don't get jail time, only because if I do, there's a good chance that I will get fired from my job because...
Thank you.
Can you hear me?
I can hear you. There you are, Mr. Gianosa. Mr. Gianosa, you are here on a probation violation hearing. The allegation against you is a second, what's called a technical violation. It says that you failed to enroll in outpatient substance abuse treatment and failed to attend any self-help meetings. You had a previous technical violation in April of this year, and the recommendation is that you serve 5 days in jail and we extend your probation for 3 months with no fee. You understand the allegation that's been made against you?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand the recommendation for that allegation?
I do, Your Honor.
You have the right to plead guilty or not guilty or stand mute. You have the right to have a hearing on this. At that hearing, it would be in front of me as the judge. You do not have the right to have a jury trial on a probation violation. At the hearing, you could see, hear, and question all the witnesses. You could present your own witnesses and get an order from the court called a subpoena to require your witnesses to appear and testify. At the hearing, you could also testify, or you could choose to remain silent, and that silence would not be used against you. At the hearing, the burden of proof would be on the probation department to prove your guilt by a preponderance of the evidence. That means 51% of the evidence. And at the hearing, you'd also have the right to automatically appeal. You understand the rights that I've just given to you?
Yes.
You have any questions about any of those rights?
No, sir.
You'd also have the right to be represented by an attorney. Do you wish to have an attorney today, or do you wish to represent yourself?
I will represent myself.
All right. What then do you want to do? Do you want to make an admission, that is, tell me what you did that was wrong, or do you wish to have a hearing?
An admission.
All right. The allegation, well, let me ask it this way. Has anybody promised you anything or threatened you in any way to get you to do that?
No.
You're doing this of your own free choice and free will?
Yes, sir.
All right. In order to take an admission, I have to take some testimony from you. Would you raise your right hand so I can swear you in? You swear the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
All right. Go ahead and put your hand down, sir. The allegation is that you failed to enroll in outpatient substance abuse treatment. Is that true?
That is true.
And the second allegation is that you failed to attend any self-help meetings. Is that also true?
That is true.
You're on probation and you were required to do both of those things in your probation. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
All right. Is there anything that you want to tell me by way of explanation for that?
Yeah. So, Your Honor, I don't have any excuses as to why I didn't get it started and completed earlier. I do work, usually like 7 days a week, and I know that's not an excuse. I could have gotten it done. I should have gotten it done, and I didn't. But
are you good for yourself?
I would like you to know. Sorry, who was that?
We have somebody else that's talking that shouldn't be, so I apologize for that. Go ahead, Mr. Gianosa.
So I've gone to self-help meetings, and I'm in the process of starting the outpatient program. It just needs to get scheduled. I'm in the works with it right now. So yeah, that's my case.
We were here back in April, right? We had a technical violation that you admitted to then. That was supposed to be your wake-up call to say, hey, you need to put a little more effort into the probation here and get things done when you're supposed to get things done. Why didn't that work?
Your Honor, honestly, I honestly don't have an excuse or reason. I really don't have an excuse. I just did not get it done when I should have.
So what do you think I should do to you?
Well, I would request that I don't get jail time, only because if I do, there's a good chance that I will get fired from my job because I'd have to call in for those 5 days. And also, if I can't get paid for those 5 days, I will be really behind on my bills, like my mortgage, my bills and everything. So I would just request that there's no jail time. Yeah.
So what do you request that I do to you? That's telling me what you don't want to have happen. What should happen to you?
Okay. What should happen, I would say the 3 months of probation and possibly maybe 5 days of more work camp instead of jail time.
Did you do the last work camp that we told you to?
Not yet, Your Honor. I haven't had a day off, and I need to actually tell my boss I need a day off.
What we have, Mr. Gianosa, is a priority problem. Can you tell me what that priority problem is?
Yes, Your Honor. Prioritizing work over probation.
Yep.
I understand, Your Honor.
How old are you, Mr. Gianosa?
I am 19 years old, sir.
Graduate from high school?
Yes, sir.
What job are you doing right now?
I am a box truck helper, so I'm third party for Lowe's. I deliver appliances.
Are you getting any additional education or training in any other field?
No, sir.
So what's your plan for 10 years from now? What do you hope to be doing?
10 years from now, well, I hope to be running my own business.
What kind of business?
Well, I hope to start with a junk removal business. With me and my friends, we're gonna start that business, and then also, I'm gonna get into real estate after that.
Would you accept this kind of priority from an employee of yours in 10 years?
No, sir.
What would you do with such an employee?
Well, I would probably talk with him, work with him, figure out why what's happening is happening, and come up with a solution on how to solve the problem and work it out for both parties.
And if you did that one time and he repeated it and you had to bring him back a second time, what would you do with that employee?
Honestly, sir, if you kept doing it, I mean, you know, the second time maybe we could figure it out, but maybe by the third time, you know, 3 strikes and you're out kind of thing.
Fair enough. 5 days work camp. You got 30 days to do it. If you don't do it, it's an additional violation, and that gives me up to 10 days in jail next time. You understand?
I understand.
So we're going to extend your probation 3 months. We're going to put you 5 days in work camp. You got to have them done within 30 days, not 4 days, not 4.5 days, not 4 3/4 days, 5 days work camp done in 30 days. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Don't make this a problem, Mr. Gianosa.
I understand. Yep.
Good luck
100%.
to you, sir. That'll be the order of the court.
I do have one more question just to clarify.
Yep.
That's the 5 days on top of that 1 extra day from before, correct?
That is correct.
Okay. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.